For real.
For real.
So real.
for real for real ឃ្លាមួយនេះមានន័យថាមែនតែនមែនតើឬពិតប្រាកដណាស់បើយើងនិយាយថាអ្វីមួយកើតឡើង for real នោះយើងចង់មានន័យថាអ្វីមួយកើតឡើងដោយពិតប្រាកដមិនក្លែងក្លាយឬមិនធ្វើពិតឧទាហរណ៍ I'll focus on my study for real I'll focus on my study for real មានន័យថាខ្ញុំនឹងផ្ដោតអារម្មណ៍លើការសិក្សារបស់ខ្ញុំមែនទែនឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត For real though he shouldn't have done that for real though he shouldn't have done that មានន័យថាតែមែនតើគាត់មិនគួរណាបានធ្វើរឿងនោះទេ
Like for real, she's obsessed with me.
Is she for real?
I'm for real. I'm for real.
He sounds for real.
Is he for real?
He's hurt for real.
Seems for real.
Is they for real, man?
They actually are open. For real.
For real? Like, he's so sweet.
It's for real, right?
You can make the go.
For reals?
Are they for real?
This for real, for real.